So this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 10. Side by side, this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 9, looks similar. And in today's video, we're going to be covering the Xiaomi Mi Band 10 specs, or basically what it offers. Now it's got 1.74 inches of AMOLED screen display, 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. It's got max brightness up to 1500 nits, and also it's got a sensor that does the auto brightness adjustment, so it adjusts based on the ambient lighting. Now the frame of this is aluminum alloy with the TPU strap, and all around no buttonless, just like the Mi Band 9 here. And there's one ceramic edition that comes in the Xiaomi Mi Band 10. Basically the frame itself is a ceramic material, bright white, looks very nice, and the strap itself is also fluoro rubber band strap. Other than the light ambient sensor, it's got a gyroscope, accelerometer, e-compass, heart rate sensor, oximeter, all these sensors in it. To pair this watch, it's got a Bluetooth 5.4 version, and you need a Xiaomi Mi Fitness app that is available on Android phone and iOS phone as well. And with that you get bunch of features. Let's talk about the sports features. Got 150 plus of sports mode. It's also got running course and also pebble mode. Pebble mode, what it means is you're gonna buy a separate sole separate accessory that you remove this strap, mount or place this frame into this clip on like sort of accessory, and you clip it on your shoe, and basically is when you run it counts your steps. So that's called a pebble mode. Right now, talking about the health features, it's got heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep and stress monitoring, and it's also have breathing training and women's health management. All this falls under health features category. Now other notable features is it's got a focus mode to have less distractions, and also got a Xiaomi smart hub. Basically you can control all these Xiaomi other devices using the smartwatch, like turning on and off the AC or lights. Now this water resistant up to 5 ATM, and charging this watch is from 0 to 100 in 1 hour. It's got 233 mAh battery, and it lasts up to 21 days without always on display, and if that is on, it lasts up to somewhere 6 to 7 days. You get 4 colors, that is the midnight black, glacier silver, mystic rose, and of course the pearl white ceramic edition. Now all this cost at $37 for the normal one, and for the ceramic it cost about $50. Now to purchase this watch, link in the description below, and if you do like this video, leave a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to know more features about the Xiaomi Mi Band 10, and if you want to do cross comparison